Hi, today we're in Saint Augustine at Obscure Rides, and we are going to review the Riese and Muller Multitinker. It has a color screen called a Kiox 300, and it has an internal Inviolo hub gear. And this internal hub gear allows you to shift without being in motion. It has an ABIS front wheel lock and a Suntour front suspension fork. It has Magura hydraulic brakes. It has a belt drive, but there's a chain option. It's cheaper, but this one, as you can see, has the belt. The pedals have a grip tape to prevent your foot from slipping off. As you can see, the Multitinker can carry children, and it has a fairing to keep their little feet from getting trapped. And for an added bonus, you can even fit an adult in the back for date night. In addition to carrying capacity in the back, you also have a front cargo rack. You can adjust the height and the tilt of the handlebars so it can fit a variety of different size people. This is a Class 1 e-bike with a 350 watt motor. It can go 20 miles an hour. It has a waterproof glove box, a charging port here, and a Bosch Performance mid-mounted motor. And this is the Riese and Muller Multitinker.